What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of this Oppo Reno 6 Pro. Then I will do a quick review and do a thermal throttling test between this Oppo Reno 6 Pro and Redmi K40 Gaming Edition. This one is going to be released in India as Poco F3 GT. Yeah, a lot of people have already done some unboxing video of this Redmi K40 Gaming Edition as Poco F3 GT, so I'm not gonna do an unboxing of this one, but in this video I'm gonna do unboxing of this Oppo Reno 6 Pro. Okay, as usual, I always share my honest opinion on this channel and I always provide you with true content. Please support true content. And yeah, I know there are a lot of channels with a lot of fake videos, especially those camera comparison videos. Please report those videos and support true content. Also, I would recommend that you check my camera comparison video between Oppo Reno 6 Pro, Poco F3 GT. Yeah, in China it's known as Redmi K40 Gaming Edition and Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. This is my Oppo Reno 6 Pro. I got that 8 plus 128GB variant. After opening the box, inside there is an envelope. Inside the envelope there is a gift card only available inside the Chinese variant. Also there is a user manual and warranty paper. Underneath that there is our Oppo Reno 6 Pro. Let's put the phone aside for a while and let's check what else we have got inside the box. Yes, Oppo Reno 6 Pro comes with a 65-watt charger. This one is SuperVOOC 2.0, but the quality of the charger is not as good as Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus. As Oppo Reno 6 Pro is a lower mid-range smartphone in Oppo smartphone lineup, this one comes with a very poor TPU silicon protective case. Underneath that protective case, we also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This charging cable is nowhere near to those SuperVOOC 2.0 charging cables that comes with Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus or Oppo Find X3 Pro. Okay, it's time to unwrap our Oppo Reno 6 Pro. I got this blue color variant. It's more like a white, and reflection of light on the back of this smartphone is really amazing. Okay, this Oppo Reno 6 Pro costs 3,499 RMB for 8 plus 128GB variant. This one comes with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC. Display panel of Oppo Reno 6 Pro is pretty average. It's FHD plus 90Hz and supports HDR10 plus. Amazingly, this one comes with UFS 3.1 and supports USB 3.1 connection on the go. So that's pretty surprising. At the rear there is a quad camera setup and we will talk about that later. Volume rockers are on the left side and it's pretty sleek. Power button is on the right side. I really like that green accent inside the power button. On top there is nothing but a noise cancellation microphone. It looks pretty clean. Dual SIM compact SIM tray, primary microphone, USB-C 3.1 port and loudspeaker is located at the bottom. Most of the Oppo smartphones comes with a pre-applied display protector on the display. This one is no different. This one also got a very good quality display protector out of the box. Okay, at the back there is a 8 megapixel sensor for ultra-wide photos, 64 megapixel sensor for main lens, 2 megapixel sensor for depth and 2 megapixel sensor for macro. I think those two 2 megapixel sensors are totally a gimmick. In hand, this Oppo Reno 6 Pro feels premium, that's true. It doesn't feel any different than Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus. It feels premium, it looks premium and it has a premium price tag. There is nothing new in the design language. This is almost the same as Oppo Reno 5 Pro. I would like to see Oppo doing some real innovation in design and performance. Okay, let's boot this smartphone. Yeah, even if I bought this in China, this one comes with a global ROM and it supports almost all the languages. I have transferred and migrated all my data from my Realme GT 5G to Oppo Reno 6 Pro. I didn't have to do anything more than clicking a few times and these two smartphones transferred the data very quickly, very efficiently. Registering fingerprint on Oppo Reno 6 Pro is easy, but that haptic feedback is not that good. Anyway, after registering the fingerprint, it works fine but takes a bit of a time. It's a bit on the slower side. Oppo Reno 6 Pro also supports face unlock. It is pretty easy to register your face and it works perfectly fine. It's very fast. Yes, you won't get 120Hz on this Oppo Reno 6 Pro, but this one comes with 90Hz refresh rate. And I think for daily life, 90Hz is good enough. Okay, at the beginning, let me show you that there is nothing running at the background. I will run Antutu benchmark 3 times consecutively, and then we can check how quickly the performance is dropping, if there is any thermal throttling or not. Personally, I don't like Antutu benchmark, but I know most of the viewers, most of the subscribers, I know that you like Antutu benchmark throttling test, so here it is. After the first run, Oppo Reno 6 Pro got 688,000. On the other hand, Poco F3 GT, as known as Redmi K40 Gaming Edition, got 693,000. Poco F3 GT temperature was increased by 8.7 degrees Celsius and Oppo Reno 6 Pro temperature was increased by 8.2 degrees Celsius. So let's quickly run again and let's check what happens after this second test. Wow, that's a big drop on Poco F3 GT. From 693,000 it dropped to 673,000. On the other hand, Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G only dropped 8,000, so the difference is a bit high. Let's run again and let's see what happens after the third run. By the way, if I forgot to mention, then of course Poco F3 GT got a better display panel. It comes with a FHD Plus display panel with 120Hz refresh rate and also supports HDR10+. Also, there is this DC dimming option in Poco F3 GT, which makes its display a bit more attractive in low light. Well, after the third run, Poco F3 GT performance is a bit bizarre. It already dropped 30,000 from the first run, and Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G also dropped a bit, but not that much. It only dropped around 16,000. So there is a hint of thermal throttling on Poco F3 GT. But as I always say, I'm not a big fan of Antutu benchmark, and most of the time Antutu benchmark's code doesn't convert into real life performance. So I have done a separate gamers benchmark video. I have tested 3D Mark, the gamers benchmark, on 6 different smartphones. Don't forget to check that video. Well, considering the price and performance, I think this Poco F3 GT, as known as Redmi K40 Gaming Edition, is a better choice. But if you are into camera performance, then I think this one is edge ahead. You check by yourself. I have done a separate camera comparison video between these two. Check that video and decide which one is better. But for now, don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below, because there is an international smartphone giveaway going on only for the subscribers of this channel. I will pick a winner based on a valid and descriptive comment. Yeah, it's time to wrap up today. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel.